All right, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the child safety lock on a car. This can be applied to van, trucks, many other vehicles. This is a general way of how to turn on and off the child safety lock. I'm going to go through that process. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I am in the rear seat of a vehicle, or the rear of the vehicle, and I want to turn on the child safety lock. Now this prevents people from the back seats from opening the vehicle from the inside, okay, if you have child safety locks. Some of the newer vehicles actually have the child safety lock feature within the display screen, and you can operate them from there. But on most vehicles, it is a manual operation. So I'm going to show you. With the doors open, I'm going to come to the door, and you see this right here? It is a symbol for child safety lock right here, and it's pointing down. And so in order to lock it, I press it down like that. And so when the door shuts, people will not be able to open it from the inside. And then to unlock it for this particular vehicle, I just go up. Now, with it up like that, the people are able to get out from the inside of the vehicle because the child safety lock is not engaged. Some vehicles actually have a little slot for a key that you put in to turn it on or off, okay? Some of them do. And the symbols can be slightly different, so it's important to read your owner's manual so you know exactly how to turn on and off the child safety lock for your vehicle, all right? It's always important to abide by your own owner's manual for your particular vehicle before turning the child safety lock on. But that's a general guide on how to turn on and off the child safety lock. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.